Video, we'll be talking about how to construct an octagon in a square. So the first thing to do is to draw the actual square. So in this case, let's have that down. So now I'll have the square down here. So I want the square to be a square of sides. Let's say 1, 2, 3 centimeter. Let's say 4. Yes, 4. Now this will be AB, the base. So I've drawn a square before in my previous episodes. So all I need to do is draw perpendiculars on the edges, Then you are going to transfer the measurements of the side of that square, which is 3, rather 4. You're going to transfer it 4 those perpendiculars, and then you join the tops. You join the tops of those perpendiculars. So that gives us a square. When I'll thicken it now to get the actual square. So thicken, then thicken, and then thicken. And the next step is after we draw the actual square, the next step is to draw diagonals AC and BD to intersect at O. So I'll draw diagonals of the square. So this is C and D. Say track diagonals AC, yes AC, and then diagonals BD, yes BD, from B to D. Now the next step is with center A and radius AO, draw an arc to touch the sides of the square. So I'll open my compass to AO, where O is the center, where those diagonals intersect. So we center AO. So I will draw an arc to touch the side of the square. So I'll draw an arc to touch the side, and I will repeat this with every other side, every other edge of the square. So I will repeat this with B with the same radius. I'll repeat this with C, cutting the sides on either side. Repeat this with D, cutting on either side. Now when I'm done, the next step is to connect the points on the side of the square to each other. So we'll connect them to each other. So we have connecting here. So this is already connected, no need of that. Connect here to here. Connect this to this. Connect this to this. So this is our octagon, and let's call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how to draw an octagon in a square.